Alright guys, welcome to Bangkok by Bike. Welcome back. Today we're going to a night market called Pratunam Night Market, and we're starting here at the Victory Monument. You can see it on the right side. And just about here in this alley on the left, over there is a quite a nice pub. It's called Saxophone Pub. Has live music, jazz, blues, stuff like that. It's a pretty good place to hang out. But maybe not if you want to talk a lot, because it's pretty loud in there. But anyways, we're on our way to the Pratunam Night Market, and this market is not far from here. I think it's going to be the next junction, or the one after next. And this is a market that closes at, I believe, 11:30 p.m. and it has a lot of I think mostly clothes. There's a lot of food there, a lot of Thai food, lots of fruit. You can find some homemade, home decor items in there. And yeah, it's pretty good. It has good prices. It's not as big as Jatujak weekend market, but it's not, Jatujak is only opened on the weekends, whereas this one is opened every day, every night. And yeah, like I said, the prices are pretty good. So yeah, if you're in this area, it's worth checking out. Now I will upload another video on this channel, because when I went there I just recorded a video. I was walking around, so this video will just show you the way to go there, or just show you from the perspective of a bike rider, and the other video can just show you the market itself. So it's a sort of two parts to this Pratunam market deal. And from here it's not too far. I think 2 more sois and we're gonna be there. I like this road. You can't really see it in there that well, but way back in the background there's this building that looks a little bit like the Empire State Building. Not as imposing, of course, but looks pretty good, I think. And I think this is soy 17. Yeah, and we're gonna go to soy 19, so the next soy, the next alley. Alright, so if you want to check out the video about from the market, check out the other one. And I guess that's it for the talking part. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.